Today I am going to show you how you can delete Facebook account from mobile in just 60 seconds. First open Facebook and click here. Scroll little down, you will see setting and privacy. Click setting and privacy and again click setting. Now you will see Meta account center. Below that you will see more in account center. So click see more in account center and click personal detail. Now here you can see personal information about your account. In the end you see account ownership and control. So click account ownership and control. Now here is the two option, memorialization and deactive or deletion. So click deactive and deletion. If you are logged into Instagram, then you can even delete Instagram account. So we are deleting Facebook account, so we click Facebook. Now this is the part where many people are confused. You are given two options. One is to delete account, which means deleting account permanently forever. Another is deactivate account, which means deleting account for some time only. We are deleting account permanently, so we tick delete account and click continue. If you are still watching, then please subscribe to our channel. Your one subscriber is lot for us. If you have Facebook page like me, then it will also be deleted, so click continue. Here you are asked reason for deleting your Facebook account and you are given some option to tick. You can tick anyone you like. So I will tick I spend too much time on Facebook and click continue. Again click continue. Now scroll down and click continue. And here you have to put your Facebook password and click continue. Now your Facebook account is deleted permanently.